All right. I gotta see it at least. I've never seen this before. I'm talking about 218s in the trunk, never.
This little car works.
I know. I like it.
Brand new fancy car, like a real ramp. Man, I'm trying to be smart.
You still demoing?
Yeah, I can. I don't know if you're gonna get 21 hertz right now, but
Oh no, I went to. Is it louder door open or closed?
it sounds louder door open. So I mean, you can shut it if you want to.
Okay.
I can put you in the hot seat.
Okay. So first, equipment and build info and your name. Go ahead.
Brendan Shockley. Got 2 Resilient Sound Platinum 18s in a 4th order in the trunk with a Salt 4K wired at 1/4 ohm. And yes, the back seat can still fold up to factory position.
So how are the 18s oriented to fit in the trunk like that?
Cones are facing towards each other and magnets are facing out.
Okay, got it. Yeah. You built the box? Okay. What were you tuned to?
Low.
Tune low?
No idea what spot specs we're going to get.
Yep.
Maximum dimensions of the trunk.
Okay. All right.
Think about the go-go's. Ain't nobody see me now. Riding around in my roads. Leave me so please don't worry about what's in my coat. I know that she on them drugs, so yeah, you know she down to fall. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Little bit. I wanna stay 100 and you kind of
He likes the lows, like you said, for sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Are you happy with lows or highs? Lows. You like lows more? And it's windier and it feels a little different, yeah. Awesome. Appreciate the demo.
No problem.
Brandon, right?
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Brandon. Is there a way I can look into the box with my phone?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Just stick it back there.
All right. I gotta see it at least. I've never seen this before.
You've seen this before.
I'm talking about 218s in the trunk, never. How's your amp handling the quarter ohm? It's not even that bad. So you got your, okay, so you got one there. That didn't hit my shirt, did it?
I don't know what it is. It hit something.
I don't know. Anyway. Okay, real quick. There you go. I wouldn't know it.
I uncut my thumb a little bit on it one time. So.
Wow. That's the only way you could have done that then. So you have a sub facing this way and that way.
Right.
Okay.
Remember he had one sub in here before?
Yeah, he used to have the 18. Now he's got two 18s.
Yep.
Wow. I don't know what that is. Thanks for showing me, man.
They won't worry about that. Takes up airspace at this point.
Yeah.
Definitely different from last time we seen it.
Did you build that in the box? Into the trunk? You did?
And that port face is something I added on afterwards. So
Yeah.
I was actually stuck in the port for about half an hour with all the
Oh, really? Wow. And this is kind of just to help take some of the space up for pressure in case it leaks. Yeah. Awesome.
It all leaks back into the trunk anyways, so
Yep.
it's not sealed off.
That's true. That's a good idea. That's a brilliant idea. Not many people do that. Appreciate it, man.
I like taking niggas hoes, but I stopped doing that. Once I hit her with that dick, she don't know how to act. Blowing up a nigga phone, can you please fall back? Hello, delete me now, I ain't got time for that. Like a weed, I like bad bitches, like it, roll it up. And I'm rider, them gon' hold me down, no matter what they got. Sipping good, so please don't worry about what's in my coat. And she on them drugs, so yeah, you know she down to fall. It's going down, it's but I stopped doing that. Once I hit her with that dick, she don't know how to act. Blowing up a nigga phone, can you please talk back? Hello, delete me down.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.